Hello friends, welcome again. In this lecture, we will learn about the exception handling and SQL transaction. Exception handling. So what is exception? An error condition during the program execution. What is exception handling? The mechanism for resolving such exception. So we will learn about such mechanism in this SQL query. Try and catch. SQL provides the try and catch blocks for handling the exception handling. So in try block we enter the SQL statement, and whenever it's throw any error, it will go to the catch block and there it handles this error. Okay, for example, we are using the employee table, and if we are adding the employee age with the employee name, so one is the numerical value and the other one is varchar data type, so we can't add it. Basically it will throw the error, and this error should go to the catch block and it will show some message here. This message can be customized and default also, so we will see both of them. Try and catch syntax is, it will start with the begin try, then SQL statement will come up followed by the end try keyword. Then the catch block will start, it will start with the begin catch, the print error or rollback transaction will be shown, and then end catch. The rollback transaction will come under transaction in SQL query. Let's understand this try and catch syntax. So begin try and try, begin catch and catch. Okay, so from the employee table I want to add employee name with its age, employee age from employee table. Okay, obviously the error will come and it will go to the catch block, so the default error message is shown using this error underscore message keyword. Okay, now let's execute it. Nothing has come up. Let's see message. See, the conversion failed when converting the varchar value Robert to the data type end. Okay, the error has been shown. So similarly this error message we can customize it. How we can do it? See, so customization can be done using the inverted comma numerical value cannot be added to string. Okay, and then execute and see the message. See, the message which we have given here is shown here. Okay, transaction in SQL. The transaction is a group of commands that can change store data in the databases. Okay, the syntax for this one is begin transaction, that update table name, set is another keyword followed by the column where we want to change the value, then where is used to specify the condition. If we want to execute the this update, we will use the commit transaction, and if we don't want to execute it, then we will use the rollback transaction. Okay, suppose here I want to update the age of the Robert here, and I want to update it to 35. Okay, let's do it. How we can use the begin transaction? Okay, so begin transaction update, what is the table name, employee table, set, and I want to update the age to 35 when employee name is Robert. Okay, where? Okay, now let's, if the update has been done, see the age of the employee Robert has been changed to 35. If we want to make it permanent, I will write the commit transaction here. and select all this transaction and execute. This transaction has been committed, so the update is 35 only. Now I can't roll back. If suppose now I want to change the date age of the robot from 35 to 45. Okay, I can do it here. So I will select this statement here to 45, saving. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, now let's say the if update has been made. Okay, now if I think the age has been updated wrong, so I need to roll back the transition. How I can do that? I was using the rollback. Transaction. Okay, yes, update has been removed or not. See, at the age was 25, I have rolled back the transaction. Okay, now this begin transaction, commit transaction, rollback transaction can be used in the try and catch block. If there is any error in updating the employee table, this error can go to the catch block, and there the rollback transaction can be committed, and along with the customized message can appear. The syntax of using the try catch block along with the transaction is shown here. Okay, first of all it will be begin try will be block is there, and end try, then begin catch and end catch is there. So begin transaction will keyword is come, the update of the table will be done here, a commit transaction will be done here. Transaction has been committed successfully, then the message will come up. If there is error, then it will go back to the catch block. The catch block, if there is error, all the transaction will be rolled back and the error message will be shown here. So let's do the one example. Okay, so for that, two blocks is created, begin try and try. Okay, begin catch and catch. Okay, begin, so begin transaction, update employee table, set I want to update the age of Brian to 35. So where name, hey, Brian is 52, I want to change it to 35. Okay, so commit transaction, and print transaction is committed. Suppose some errors come up here, so this error will come if we come in catch block, so all the transaction will be rolled back here. Roll back transaction, then we will print the message here, that is customized message. The transaction has been rolled back. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, the update has been successful. The message is shown here, the transaction is committed. So we can see the update here. Okay, age has been changed to 35. Now suppose I also want to update age of Divya. So I will, by mistake I have written 32 divided by 0. So obviously it is wrong. So how catch block will work, I want to show here. So let's see. Where Divya. Okay. Select this statement and execute. So error is shown here. So transaction has been rolled back. It is shown here. So what is happening here? The first update is successful. The second update is wrong. So the error is gone here and it has rolled back all the transactions. So first one, age of the Brian was updated to 35. So it has been rolled back to the previous age, that is 52 here. Okay. And the message is shown here. The transaction has been rolled back. Okay, now you can see the table here. It is showing 35 here because we have already updated it to 35 in the previous query. Okay, so this finishes our lecture on the exception handling and the transaction SQL. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and have a nice day.